Okay, stay calm. Okay, I've got quite a few kilometers over water. That's what I'm nervous about. I'm gonna give it some altitude. No satellites. Okay. Signal starts to drop. I can see how far I am away from home. It doesn't tell me. Okay, now I got 4 satellites, still no home point. No home point updated. That sucks. If it fails now, I do not know how to get back. Signal steadily declines. I'm on the first ridge. I'm riding the ridge. Oh man. Some fog. Fog will cut the signal. I'll try to get in there. No, fog is cutting the signal. Oh my fuck. Oh. Okay, I'm over half battery. fuck. At 75% battery, 100 kilometers an hour. I have 1.5 kilometers left to do. Oh fuck. Fuck. Okay, I hear it. 3,200 milliamps, 98 kilometers per hour, 5 satellites. GPS never got my home point. I think I'll be able to land even if I crash land, but I'm so out of battery. Whew! I think that was too far. Total flight time wasn't that long. Maybe I just went there too fast. So this was where I landed. First I hit here, then I bounced off into there, and then it was sideways somewhere there. I think maybe that's enough flying for today, especially over water. This is just way too far. I went up to that ridge, then I went around, and I came down, I think, there. It was just way too long of a trip. I think it was way too long of a trip. We'll see, yeah, if I can actually do that again, but I don't think so. I think I need a bigger drone with bigger batteries. I think this is the limit of this tiny one.